What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Luis Hernandez, and today we are back in Copart. We are here because we are looking for the new project and also the car that we probably gonna give away once we reach 1,000 subscribers. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. All right, you guys. Here we got a 2014 Fiat with 97,000 miles with a very slight damage in the front. It looks like. It's missing the tires, so we know that the front suspension is gone because it's pushed back all the way to the back. The damage was severe enough to break the rim. We know that for sure because it's gone. We can see a little bit of damage on the frame right there. A little bit of broken pieces. Missing the headlight. Let's see the interior. Oh, the interior is really dirty. Really dirty. Oh, headlights right in the back. Headlights right there. Now this one's got the roof all the way to the back. It's all glass. It's a nice interior. No blown airbags for what I can see. Yeah. I've never worked in one of these before, so I don't know how expensive the parts are. But if you know, leave me a comment below. I read every single comment and I respond to every single comment, guys. So you guys ever wanna let me know something or ask me a question, feel free. Drop me a comment below and I will respond to you as soon as I can. Man, look at this pillar. It's all glass. I like that. I like that a lot. Look at that handsome devil. All right. Let's move on to this beautiful black Mustang with the front damage. And I mean beautiful because I do like Mustangs. This one, it looks like it's a 4-cylinder or 2016. Oh, it's a 6-cylinder. 2016 Mustang. No blown airbags. That's always good. We don't have the key. It does smell like pee in it, so not interested. Smells like pee. I don't know why. Ouch. No, let's go. Let's move on to a different one. What do you guys think of us getting a Sea-Doo, huh? This one, it's an 05 Sea-Doo jet ski. To be honest with you, I don't know what could be wrong with this engine or how to fix them. But it'll be a nice little project to keep, to buy one. Yes, I do like them. Oh, the keys are right there. All right, let's move on. All right, guys. 2002 Hummer H2 with the damage to the front, possibly the bottom. I can't see nothing with the skid plate. Broken suspension, maybe? Nope. We do know he's got a broken windshield. I don't know why he's got a broken windshield. Interior looks all right. We got the front bumper inside the vehicle. There's no tear on the seats. Interior looks pretty clean. Smells good as well. It's got the Bose sound system. It's gonna need new tires. It's almost out of tires. The body looks perfect. Oh, it's locked. Let's open the rear doors. It looks pretty good. It looks really good. Right now it's on bids for $175 pure sale. So whatever the final bid is, that will be the price. I wanted one of these when they first came out, but they were expensive. So I don't know. We'll see. Look at the repair, fiberglass repair. That's never a good sign. Yeah, I tried to open the hood. The hood's stuck, the latch is broken. We cannot open the hood. Once I cannot open the hood, I'm not interested. So this will be a no-go. Let's move on. Alright guys, here we got a 2019 Crosstrek Subaru all-wheel drive with 8,800 miles. As you can see, the car is on. It's got no warning lights at all, other than the door open. It's not overheating, it's not doing anything wrong. It's got the screen with the apps and everything. Four-wheel drive, heated seats, leather seats. Still looks and smells brand new. You got the bumper in the back. You got very slight damage, very slight damage. So replace this in the bumper. We gotta pull the frame just a little bit, not too much. On the bottom, we gotta replace. Oops. Bottom, we gotta replace the exhaust because you got tweak right there on the side. I don't see any suspension damage here or here. I do know that the exhaust got tweaked so much that it's escaping from this side right there. On the top, I don't see any major damage. It's not major damage. You're gonna need a new tail light, new headlight, new tail lights and everything. Here, we gotta pull the frame back just a little bit. So we can open and close the door. Interior looks really clean, inside and outside. It looks really clean. The tailgate, you can still open it. You can see the damage wasn't a lot. It's very little, very minimum damage. This one is one that I'm very interested on. I went and got the keys for it. Car starts. See, no issues at all. Oh, now the warning light. Go, it went out, disappear. Nice. It's got the sunroof. Really nice one. This one is one that I'm gonna keep on mind. Really interested on. Oh, let me show you. Let me show you the engine, boxer engine. Let's go take a look. Look at this beauty, huh? Beautiful. There's no reason why this car shouldn't be running. Nothing in the front was damaged. This is one that I'm keeping my eye out. Let's go. Hey guys, look at this badass Silverado, huh? What could be the damage, you think? It's got a brand new wheels and tires. No dings or damages. Few spare pieces in the back. Nothing major. Let's go around. No dings and damages. Come to this side, boom! Look at that. Wow. You think this is fixable? I don't know. I think we can fix it. Look at the interior, huh? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful interior with the touch screen that is not working. We got controls, we got switches. Look at the back, huh? You had a subwoofer because you got the cables are sticking out. All the airbags are blown. All of them. 1, 2, 3, 4 airbags blown. This truck is really nice. Lift it up. Let's look at the engine real quick before they kick us out, because they already told me no recording. There you go. Look at this beast, huh? Nice. 8 cylinders. There's absolutely no damage to the engine. It's missing the battery. The battery goes here. Where's the battery? Ah, there's the battery. It's not missing anything. Right there. It's all good. Alright, what do you guys think? Should we buy this one? Right now it's 4 bids. So I like these headlights, man. I love them. Alright guys. Man. Oh, what the damage is on this one. Let's see in the bottom. I see some suspension damage right here. That one's messed up. Let's see the frames. No, the frame is not damaged. The frame is straight. I think it's just the bed. Oh, look at that. It's just the bed. The bed has to be replaced. This right here. Everything else looks alright. It's just the bed. Oh, this right here too. But we can pull that out, I think. We should be able to do something like that. I'm gonna have to ask Jaime to see if we can do something like this. Tailgate opens. Yes, it does. Nice, beautiful truck. All right, guys. Let's move on to the next one. All right, guys. Here we got a 2017 Hyundai Accent with 37,000 miles. I actually repaired one of these ones in my previous video. These cars are really easy to work on, and this damage doesn't look bad at all. It's just the door that needs to be replaced. As you can see right there, there's no damage to the interior or the car. The suspension needs to be replaced, that's for sure. We're gonna need a new rim. We're gonna need miscellaneous pieces from right here, plastic pieces. You're gonna need a fender, the door. The bumper is actually in good condition. It needs to be just painted. That is it. We're gonna need a new headlight. These cars, like I said, they're really easy to work on, and they're really good cars. They really are. The interior on this one looks pretty clean. It's just a basic little car. Don't expect any bells and whistles. These cars are actually, they're not too bad in gas, but they're pretty nimble and quick. And if I get this one for the right price, you bet I'm gonna buy it and I'm gonna fix this. Right now it's sitting at $175. So yeah, I am really interested on this one. Really interested, for sure. These cars are really good. Alright, so moving on. Alright guys, real quick, a little bit of comments for you guys. This car was donated by Allstate. It says biohazard. I just hope that whoever was in this vehicle, they came out alive. As you can see, the damage is really bad, really severe. And on this one, they had to cut the roof off to get the people out of the car. Really bad accident. You just gotta think and be like, did they come out alright, or was there a fatality in this? I really hope it wasn't, but you never know. Stay safe out there, guys. Drive safely. Alright guys, what do you think of this one? What do you think of this guy? Suzuki? I don't even know what I'm looking at. I know nothing about bikes. Beautiful. Where's the damage? I don't see any damage. You see any damage? If you do, leave the comments below. Let me know. The only thing you guys seen is this right here. Alright. Alright guys, here we got a 2018 Toyota Camry with 8,000 miles on it. 8,000 miles. Look at the interior. Amazing. No airbags deploy anywhere. We do have blood. That looks like blood. The damage is on the back. We have damage to the trunk, to the rear. On the sides, nothing. Look at, looks really good, nice and clean. No dings or damage on the sides. This side also looks really good. That looks like blood to me. I don't know. I could be wrong. There's no airbag deployed. Look at the engine. Look at this beauty. It's not shaking. It's got the fluids. Everything looks nice and clean. Even the oil, nice and clean. It's got a lot of blowback. You can see that. This one is it's future sale. It's not for sale as of right now. It's got a damage on the fender or the bumper. This one is one that has been sitting here for a long time. You can see the sticker is worn out. But yeah, 8,886 miles. Well, this is clearly broken. Or, yeah, well, it stopped. All right, let's roll the windows up. And we'll keep this one in mind. All right, let's go. Imagine.
See anything you like?
Huh?
No?
What?
Cars?
Not yet.
There's a Camry right there. It's not that bad.
Hey guys, a little bit more carnage. If you guys ever wonder how good are these little Fiats on a front end collision, well, you can see not pretty good. The A-pillar is bent. The frame is all mangled. This got biohazard sticker in front of it. I hope that whoever was in this car came out alright. Look at the front of the car. It's inside the vehicle. Man, I hope there was no passenger on that side when that crash happened. Alright, moving on. Alright guys, here we got a 2013 Honda Accord with looks like slight damage to the front. 69,000 miles. It's got a blown airbag on the driver's side. Let's see the smell test. It smells pretty good. Clean interior. The seatbelt is done. Clean, very clean. The back, it's got a slight damage on the bumper. The fender, the hood, the light. Crash bar looks okay. I wouldn't even touch that. I will leave it as is. Yeah, this will be a quick fix. Came from Texas. Sold by insurance company. That's always good. This one is one that I'm gonna keep on the loop. I like this one. Hondas sell really good. All right, let's move on. And that's gonna be a wrap for today's episode, guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. That being said, I'll catch you guys very soon on the next one. Peace. God bless.